The $81,000 Range Rover Sport is infamous among owners as the ultimate money pit. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe is plagued by sudden shutdowns and charging issues. Yet, a $58,000 SUV recently earned top marks from Kelley Blue Book in Car and Driver. Some luxury SUVs will drain your wallet, while others are truly worth every penny. Let's reveal the reality, starting with the 5 worst SUVs. Number 5. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio is visually stunning, but it comes with notorious Italian reliability problems that can quickly become expensive. Its top-tier quadrifoglio model is thrilling to drive, with performance and style comparable to a supercar. However, this excitement is often followed by costly maintenance nightmares. Owners report issues ranging from malfunctioning infotainment screens to persistent warning lights, and Consumer Reports consistently criticizes Alfa Romeo for poor reliability. In short, the Stelvio may provide a temporary adrenaline rush, but it comes with a high financial risk. Number 4. Cadillac XT4 and XT5. The Cadillac XT4 and XT5 are compact SUVs that fail to live up to the brand's reputation for luxury. Priced around $41,000 to $44,000, these vehicles are notorious for depreciation and expensive repairs. Once the warranty expires, owners face problems ranging from glitchy infotainment to major engine and transmission failures. While they may look good and offer enticing lease deals, their interior materials feel cheap and driving dynamics are uninspiring. The XT4 and XT5 are luxury in name only. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler, especially in Rubicon and high-altitude trims, has been pushed into the luxury market with leather seats and advanced tech, sometimes exceeding $70,000. Despite these upgrades, it remains an off-road-focused vehicle with a rough, noisy ride and vague steering. Its reliability is low, particularly the plug-in hybrid 4xe version, which suffers from electrical and charging failures. Unless you frequently tackle challenging terrain, the Wrangler is a frustrating daily driver. Number 2. Rivian R1S. The Rivian R1S promised a futuristic electric SUV experience but, honestly, has delivered frequent issues. With a starting price near $78,000, it's fast and capable off-road, but it's plagued by build-quality problems like falling trim, failed AC systems, and even drive unit breakdowns. Service options are limited, leaving some owners with repair bills up to $20,000. While exciting on paper, the R1S often feels like an expensive beta test for a new automaker. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport combines luxury and style with a staggering starting price above $81,000. It looks and feels opulent, but underneath, it's honestly infamous for poor reliability. Its air suspension is prone to failure, electrical systems are glitchy, and repair costs are sky-high. While beautiful and comfortable, rivals like the BMW X5 offer a similarly luxurious experience without the headaches. Owning a Range Rover is really an emotional choice, with serious financial consequences, earning it the title of the ultimate luxury money pit. Now let's shift focus to SUVs that deliver performance, prestige, and peace of mind. Number 5. 2025 Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is known for quiet, stress-free reliability. With a starting price of around $50,000, it consistently earns top marks from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Its cabin is exceptionally quiet, materials are high quality, and the ride is smooth. With efficient powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid, the RX is comfortable, dependable, and ideal for daily driving. Number 4. 2025 BMW X5. The BMW X5 balances performance, luxury, and practicality. Starting at approximately $67,500, it offers both inline-6 and V8 engines with responsive handling and precise steering. The interior is well crafted with advanced infotainment, making it a versatile vehicle, calm and practical during the week, thrilling on winding roads. For those seeking an engaging driving experience in a luxury SUV, the X5 stands out. Number 3. 2025 Cadillac Escalade, coming in next.